Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know how can you find Revolut routing number. In order to find or locate Revolut routing number, also known as the bank routing number or BIC or SWIFT code, you'll need to access your Revolut account details through the app. First thing, open the Revolut application. After you're logged in, then you have to go to the home screen, tap on account sections. Next, you want to select the currency account you want to view details for. As you go to the details section below your balance, your account number and routing number will be displayed. And likewise, if you are having trouble locating your routing number, you could also contact Revolut customer support for help, and they will be able to help you or assist you throughout the steps. So this is where you could find Revolut routing number. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.